Lifting a ship from sea level up to the height of a mountain with no pumps, no machines forcing it upward. Hard to believe, right? But the Panama Canal has been doing exactly this for over 100 years, powered by just one thing: gravity. Panama's land isn't flat. There's mountain-like elevation right in the middle. So the challenge was, how do you get ships from the Atlantic to the Pacific across this rise in land? Engineers came up with a brilliant workaround. Instead of digging all the way down to sea level, they dammed a river and created a massive artificial lake called Gatun Lake, sitting about 85 feet above sea level. Now, they just needed to lift ships up to this lake and lower them back down on the other side. This is where the real story begins. To lift a ship, the canal uses a series of massive chambers called locks, water-filled steps that work like a staircase.
The ship enters the first chamber. The gate behind it closes. Water is then released from the lake above, flowing downward purely because of gravity, the exact same way a river flows downhill on its own. As water fills the chamber, the ship rises with it automatically. No engine, no pump, no outside force required. Once the water level matches the next chamber, the gate opens and the ship moves forward. This process repeats 3 times until the ship reaches the full height of the lake. Here's the most fascinating part. A full chamber fills with water in just 8 minutes. And this entire system has been running dozens of times a day, non-stop, for over 100 years, relying on nothing but water and gravity. So why didn't engineers just use pumps? The answer is refreshingly practical. Pumps need constant electricity to run, and machines can always break down. But gravity never fails. Water will always flow downhill. It's a law you can rely on completely. That's exactly why a 100-year-old design still works today with the same reliability it had on day one.
But hidden inside this entire system is one major weakness. It depends completely on rainfall. Every time a large ship passes through, millions of gallons of water flow one way, straight out to the ocean. In recent years, reduced rainfall and drought have caused Gatun Lake's water levels to drop significantly. As a result, canal authorities have had to place limits on how much weight and how deep ships are allowed to sit in the water. Large ships haven't been allowed to carry their full cargo load. Some had to offload part of their weight just to pass safely through shallower water. So the next time you hear about a ship passing through the Panama Canal, remember, this isn't some heavy, roaring machine at work. It's a quiet but powerful interplay of water and gravity. And that very simplicity is what makes it one of the smartest engineering marvels in the world.